Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the backyard, everybody. And today we're talking sunshades. Okay, so we decided to put a sunshade on our deck because, well, quite honestly, the only trees we really have around here are, way down here and way over here. Right, yeah, right there. But the truth of the matter is when we're up on our deck, we are getting beat up by the sun. So we decided to look into a sun sail. Now, I got it at Costco for like 30 bucks. I got on the internet to try to find installation videos, and after looking at a half dozen people doing a bunch of crap, I decided, well, quite honestly, I decided everybody's application is going to be totally different. It just depends on your deck. Is your deck a concrete slab on the ground? Do you have a wood deck that's off the ground like my deck is here? It's pretty much whatever your application is. So what I went ahead and did is I took 4x4s and I sistered them to the existing deck itself and then anchored 4 points, 2 on the house and 2 on these 4x4s, just to get what I was looking for. As you can see, I kind of set it up to with this pulley system down here so that in the event of a storm, we can come out here, untie it, and let it hang, instead of having a storm rip it completely off the house. So the 2 points that are up on the house, I did go ahead and attach these more permanently. As you can see with this little cinch clamp right here. And I did the other side of the house the exact same way. Now, as you can tell, we're standing underneath of it right now, and, well, I got shade. I'm 6'5", and I have more than enough headroom, and my dog's going nuts in the background. But no, I have more than enough room here to stand up fully erect and, well, be out of the sun. So what we ended up doing is I bought 2 of these things, but instead of putting both of them up, we put the one up. We want to keep our umbrella because there's going to be days where, quite honestly, we're going to want a little bit of sunshine and we can sit in the sun here. But our biggest problem is when the sun starts to set, all that sun rays come in and completely wash out our deck. And it's at that point, well, it's just unbearable to be out here. When I say that I sistered these 4x4s on, I mean exactly that. I went ahead and anchored these to each other, and the reason why I did that is because I don't know how well this was going to turn out, and if I wanted to unbolt it and take it down, I could. I'm not committed to it 100%. Now, if wood prices ever go back to normal, then yeah, I'm going to redo the deck, and if this system works out as well as I'm hoping it will, I'll go ahead and run these 4x4s into the ground and concrete them. That way it's a lot more rigid than what it actually is. But like I said, I'm not real sure how this was going to work, so I went ahead and decided to just sister it on there for now. If I don't like it, I can take it down. But you tell me, man, I think it turned out pretty good. I did put together a little bit of time-lapse video to kind of show you a little bit of what I went through, but this was a really easy installation. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to take these eye loops and we are going to anchor them into the fascia. We got the 4x4 posts already up on the edge of the deck, so we're going to put eyelets in over there. Now, I did get 2 sizes because I wasn't really sure which ones that I was going to need, but it looks like the smaller one is going to be sturdy enough for both sides. Now, before I go ahead and start trying to screw this in here, I'm going to pre-drill it to kind of make that a little bit easier. pilot hole in there just to make screwing this thing in easier. Instead of sitting here all day long trying to turn this thing, what I did, I took a smaller one and I went ahead and cut the end of it off. Now they sell them as a hook, and I bought one. I don't know where it's at. So I went ahead and cut the end of this off. Let me show you how sweet this thing actually works. Be careful chucking it up or you're gonna cut yourself. Drop it in low gear. Watch how easy this works. That's it. To be completely honest with you guys, I need to redo the deck anyways. So at that point in time, if this system works out as well as I hope that it's going to work out, I'll just go ahead and take those 4x4s, get long enough ones to concrete them into the ground and make it a permanent fixture. And as you can tell, I need to stain the deck anyways. It needs a good sanding and stain. So we're going to see how this holds up through the summer. If this is something I like and wood prices drop, we're going to go ahead and make that a permanent fixture, and then we'll sand everything down, stain it, make it all look nice and uniform. But until then, 30 bucks for I don't even know how big that shade is, honestly. I'll link it below, but $30 for that. It cost me more for the lumber to put the thing up than it did to buy it. Hopefully we can get some shade, because as you can see, there's no sun out today, but when there's sun is out, we are dying in this place. So this is Big Show saying, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. See you next time.